Tired of messy timesheets and inaccurate attendance records? I'm here to show you how to set up Clockify's Clockin feature so your team can track their time with ease. First, let's dive into the settings. As an admin, navigate to the Settings tab within your Clockify workspace. This is where the magic starts. Scroll down until you find the Clockin Out section. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you can enable features like Require Location. This uses GPS to verify where your employees are clocking in from, which is perfect for remote or field-based teams. Toggle it on or off depending on your requirements. If you want to set up a dedicated clock-in station, explore the Kiosk feature. This turns any device into a time clock. You can restrict it to specific IP addresses to ensure it's only used on-site. Now let's talk permissions. Head over to the permissions settings. Here, you can control which roles have access to Clockin and Clockout. You might only want to allow employee roles to use this feature and restrict it for clients. And that's it. Your staff can now easily clock in and out via the Clockify web app or mobile app. Encourage them to use descriptive notes when clocking in to add context to their work hours. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined time tracking system that improves accuracy and simplifies attendance management. Clockify empowers your staff while giving you the insights you need.